Hello family, my name is Joe Brown, aka Black Phoenix, and today I want to present to you the Welder's welding skid. This is a simple blueprint that you can buy from me personally, that all you have to do is cash out, or you can PayPal or Zillow or whatever you have to buy the print for $100. Include your email and you will be able to download this print to make your own personal welding skid. If you are a field welder or a shop welder, you have a S10 Ford Ranger regular pickup truck, this welding skid shows you how to be able to kill several birds in one stone. It's OSHA friendly. You can take it on job sites. You can put lifting irons on it. So many things you can do. I already have many videos in my archives. You can be able to go to check out the skid when I first built it, how I've been using it, how it has allowed me to have so much freedom in the welding industry and allowed me to be safe. I have had different welding supply stores tell me how convenient it was when I had to go change my bottles out. Like, oh man, I really like this setup. And this is a simple setup that you can buy as a beginner, a journeyman, or a master. And you can be able to buy this for $100 and build your own. Now, I just want to say, you can't put them in stores unless you contact me and then we work something out. I do have a contract for that, but you can buy them and duplicate them on your own and sell them on your own. The main goal with these is to help you build some independence, put those skills that you've been learning to good use. I have the whole setup prints here. When you buy these prints, family, everything comes with it. It shows you how to set it up. It gives you the dimensions of it. It gives you the cutting list. Like, I give everything that you need. And I also include an email in there that shows you what you need to do if you go to a steel shop on what type of steel you need to purchase. So everything is in the print, family, everything. The whole cutting list, everything you need for only $100 to build your independence. This can start your business. This can help you start your side hustle, and it can help you put those skills to good use fresh out of school. So if you're thinking about supporting the channel of your welding coach, all you have to do is email me and say, hey, I want to be able to order one of those welding skids and I can send one of those over to you. All you have to do is cash out $100 or PayPal $100 or Zillow $100 to your welding coach, and I will send you one of these. All you have to do is attach your email and say Welder's welding skid. That's all you have to say, fam. And like I say, I built this. I got plenty of videos. I'm gonna be able to link some of those inside of this description so you can be able to check some of them out, family. All you have to do is go on YouTube and put in hog on welding skids, and videos are gonna start popping up, fam. I created this in Phoenix, Arizona to build my independence, and this has helped me, and I want to share this skid with you. I think this can really build your independence. This can help you start your business. This can keep you safe, organized, and you can be able to support a good channel by purchasing one of these. My goal is to use the money that I'm getting from these to build the mobile school. So everyone that purchased one of these is going to help me build the mobile welding school. So I appreciate the support and head time. Thanks for the support for all of those.